Hi, Chris House here from California City, California. Out in the middle of the Mojave Desert. Today I want to talk to you about hashtags. Hashtags can be very valuable, and I do believe most marketers know how to use them. But if you don't, then let me show you. Hashtags can be used in Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and if you use Tumblr, you can also put hashtags in Tumblr. So far, those are the only ones that I know that the hashtags, as you can see from right here, light up and can be clicked on. So let me show you in Facebook what happens if you put these hashtags in to your content that you put on your timeline in Facebook. If I push on askchrisshouse, which I use quite a bit for things, you can see that everything I've done with that hashtag shows up. So if somebody wants to know more about you and they click on the hashtag, then it's all going to show up under the hashtag askchrisshouse. It works also on your fan pages, as you can see here. If I put it in my fan page, stuff will show up. So it's another good way to have your fan page shown. In Instagram, this is how it looks when somebody clicks on Ask Chris Shouse. If somebody clicks on Ask Chris Shouse on LinkedIn, all of the things that I have put on my timeline and used Ask Chris Shouse will come up. So as you can see, they can be very valuable things to put into your content that you put out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and like I say, if you use Tumblr, you may use hashtags there also. So I hope that this has been clear and that you can understand how important hashtags can be in your content and how helpful it can be for people to get to know you. Thanks for listening, and I will see you again very soon.